Suresh Hansi. Main reason, in old age, you never know when you're going to need one. And number two, my wife, she's unfortunately on a wheelchair now. So the only way she can access on the second floor is using the elevator. So without the elevator, this house is no good to us, That's the main reason. I was looking for an elevator company, and then I come across one other elevator which do not justify my requirement. And then somehow or other I must have seen some ad someplace, or so I call, and that's how we just started. The previous company elevator previous elevator company will not fix in this. I don't have enough space to put the other elevator what other company was offering. So the biggest advantage I see here is that limited space, you can install elevator, plus it looks like a piece of furniture in the house, not like something somebody just stuck into it here, And that's what it attract me quite a bit, Yes, absolutely. If you look at the color scheme we selected, this color scheme, whatever I have not seen that before. And luckily, whatever the color scheme we selected, it came, so I'm happy about it. One of my nephew came down here, and he actually is interested in installing his house too. Mainly, I bought this elevator for in eventuality of as you grow old and you need it. As far as the safety is concerned, I don't see any I don't feel any uncomfortable, or it's perfectly fine. It's nothing unsafe about it. Most of the time, if you make a trip and you want to fill up the suitcase, easier to bring it up and bring it down. It's designed very well, looks like a piece of furniture in the house, and every time you use it, it has a beautiful lightings which looks it nice. And the way it's situated in the house, it doesn't look like somebody just stuck it something, and like a middle of nowhere. It looks like elevator belongs to this house, and it goes very well with the decor and everything else. And as I said before, the color scheme what we chose, we selected. They did a superb job doing the job as far as the color scheme what we wanted, and they did a superb job for that. Yes, that's the reason I recommended my nephew to come and install the elevator. There is no question about it that it is an extra added feature into the house, and especially if the person who's looking for an elderly age, they will love this, because they know that it definitely will add the value to the house. Because when new buyer wanted to come buy this house, especially those are at older age group people, they will consider buying this house because it's a ready-made thing for them, and they'll feel more comfortable. Yes, it does add value to the house. One of my friends who came for dinner yesterday, he loved it. He said, "Oh, it's a nice feature." He lives not far from here, and he's exactly my age as I am. And and I'm sure that if he ever come across, he cannot climb the steps, he's probably going to come and ask me, "How do you like an elevator?" And naturally, he has a ready-made information available. For me, it's absolutely very easy to use. It's like any other elevator. There's no complications in it. It's only one story you got to climb up. Nothing that I can say any negative point about riding by myself. No, I have nothing, no negative to say about it. That's the reason we have the elevator. In fact, in my other house, when I had my knee surgery, without elevator I would have been in trouble. That elevator was useful, and I hope I don't have to do any more surgery to climb up and down. Whoever has seen it, they all like it. Let's put it this way. Yeah.